this is like the third time that I'm trying to film this, and if this doesn't work, I'm convinced that Satan doesn't want me to prosper, and we will officially have to square up in the name of Jesus. What's up, everybody? What's good? Home skillet biscuits, how y'all doing? I'm coming back to you today with another makeup tutorial, and this time it is green instead of blue. Still, we're in the holiday season, holiday inspired. I use one of the Morphe holiday palettes. It's the Social Butterfly, the 15S palette. Use code Thomas for 15% off. Ooh. Like, my last name is Thomas, and I didn't realize until, but I basically just, in this palette, I focused on just 3 shades. This is such a simple and easy look, literally 3 shades. So I used this shade called Showmance. No, not Showmance, what the hell. I used this shade called Meme Girls, this shade called Squad Goals, and this shade called Add to create this beautiful looking smoky eye. It looks like I, did the most, but I literally only used 3 colors. So now this is a talkie video. My mic started to work again. Hopefully it doesn't cut off because I am a broke college student and I don't have time to go out and buy microphones in my spare time. I am sort of trying to like talk in my videos more instead of just doing a voiceover, but I'll see how it goes, see how I feel about it, all that jazz. But anyway, if you guys are ready to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and start with that shade #add. We gonna say a prayer while I'm doing this eyeshadow. On camera it probably looks like it's doing nothing, but it actually is doing just a little bit of something. But I'm not even really putting it on there just so I can have color. I'm mainly just putting it on there just so it can help smoothen out all the green shade that I'm gonna put on top of it, just help the blending process go a lot easier. Now that that has been applied, I'm going to take the shade Meme Girls, and just on a blending brush, I'm going to first start packing the color where I want it. So just concentrating the color exactly where I want it on the eye, and then I'm going to focus blending it out later with the same blending brush that I'm using to pack on the color, and also the other brush that I use for my transition shade. Now wherever I think I have lost color, I'm just going to go ahead and build that back up. I want intense with this color, with this eye look. Okay, so now that that has officially been done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution concealer just to go ahead and half cut my crease, just as you see I did on the other eye. So that means I'm only taking it in halfway. I'm not fully cutting my crease. This eye is so much easier to cut for some reason than this eye. It's like this eye is the Beyonce, and then this eye is the Michelle. Now on a damp brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Squad Goals, and that's just what I'm gonna put on that cut crease. Just go ahead and put it down. And to just make sure that there aren't any sort of like harsh lines between the cut crease and the outer part, I'm just going to go ahead and blur the edges with a blending brush so it looks a lot more seamless. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply lashes and mascara and all that stuff off camera, and I'll be back to do the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using my Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face and rub it in. So I'm really trying to decide which shade I am. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Gaku. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. Hopefully I was right. Well, sorry, no, Nambia. Nambia's the shade. No, Igaku. So after 50 years of deciding which foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this with my beauty blender into my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I like rediscovered this foundation. I mean concealer. I rediscovered this concealer. And I forgot how good it was, y'all. Like, it's so nice, so full coverage. I also really like how easy it is to blend everything out. And because I am absolutely just too lazy to get up and get another powder, I'm going to go ahead and use my ColourPop No Filter Translucent Setting Powder and just use that to set all of my highlighted areas. Now for face powder, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Black Radiance Ebony face powder. I haven't used this in a while, but I've now found a new love for it, just for adding a bit more color to my face than my ColourPop press powder. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a bronzer and just bronze my face, because I don't feel like adding any contour. I kind of want to just keep the face really soft, and I'm not adding any blush either, so this is going to also add as my like extra dose of color to my face. And now for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Laura Mercier highlighter in Seduction. And I'm just going to... Oh, just look at that. Oh. I literally almost forgot my lower lash line. Oh my gosh. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to do something super simple. I'm going to go ahead and apply Mean Girls on the lower part of my lash line, and then we're just going to go ahead and add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I'll also just add a little bit of Squad Goals on the inner corner, just to be some form of a highlight. Now for the lips, I mentioned this lip combo in my last lip tutorial. It's my favorite nude combo at the moment, and I'm gonna do it again. As I said before, I'm gonna start with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint and Unveil to line my lips. Then I'm gonna use the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Sculptor in Goddess, and then I'm going to take one of their Perfect Tone, the Black Radiance Perfect Tone matte lip creams, just to dot that in the center for a nice little ombre and a little bit of a lightening effect. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, set my set my face with some setting spray. you know, fix my hair, put some accessories on, and by accessories, it's the same pair of hoop earrings that I wore in my last video because they're literally the only pair of earrings that I own. And then I'll go ahead and be right back. Okay, and that is it for this finished green smoky eye look, and I just want to thank you all for watching. Remember, if you like it, please share, comment, and especially just go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you want to, sis. It's free 99, so go ahead, just bloop bloop, just hit that subscribe button. And also, I should start saying this, I forget to say this, if you want to be notified whenever I do upload, just hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, so that way you can be notified whenever I upload any content on my channel. And yeah, and just remember that when we comment, we want to bring people up and not bring people down. Bye. Thank you.